Which is hotter, lightning or the sun's surface? Shock twist. Lightning wins. Lightning can reach about 30,000 degrees Celsius, around 54,000 Fahrenheit. The sun's surface averages roughly 5,500 degrees Celsius, about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That makes lightning about 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. But deep inside, the sun's core reaches millions of degrees, near 15 million Celsius. Lightning heats surrounding air in milliseconds, expanding explosively to create a shockwave. We hear that shockwave as thunder. Recap: lightning peak approximately 30,000 degrees Celsius. Sun surface approximately 5,500 degrees Celsius. Core in the millions. Mind blown? Comment lightning sun and follow for more quick science wows.